Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello wonderful people, welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. I greet you all according to your time. If it is your first time here, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are returning subscribers, I appreciate you for your massive support. Thank you for always coming back to watch our videos, and that's a huge support to this channel. My dear viewers, this is a news channel and we drop news on daily basis, and we also react to any videos that comes our way. Let's watch this video together. Drop your opinion at the comment section, like our videos and also share our videos if possible. Bye for now.
Oh, hey Biafra. It's a pity that Facebook does not respect the rule of law anymore. It does not respect democracy again. Freedom of speech. Nigerian Facebook does not respect again. They only respect the politicians. The Fulanis. That is the people Facebook will respect. Those people that they are the terrorists. That is the people Facebook will respect. And when they terrorize our life, if we rise up and speak, they will say it's a hate speech. They will block you. They will disable your account. Go ahead and disable my account. Must talk. We must keep talking. Fulani, free Nnamdi Kanu. Free Nnamdi Kanu. If you are not feeling ashamed, many people, they shame many people, Fulani. You went all the way to Kenya to kidnap Nnamdi Kanu with $1 billion bribe. You, when they hit your chest, they say you be one Nigeria. $1 billion. If they use $1 billion to set up a company in Nigeria, do you know how many youths will be working there? No, you will be thinking about that. You just hear one Nigeria, one Nigeria, one Nigeria. And you don't ask yourself, how are you going to make that one Nigeria great? Is it by kidnapping? Fulani always deceive you people with this one Nigeria. Do you see Fulani like people who want to keep Nigeria one? Do you see them like that? Do they behave like people who want to keep Nigeria one? Somebody a whole government is involved in kidnapping. Open. Everybody understand that in kidnapping. And they bribe Kenyan government with $1 billion. Jesus Christ. All of them, they will get wahala. You when they shout one Nigeria, all of them get serious wahala. Nnamdi Kanu launch a ESN, Eastern Security Network. Now so on a mouth they run. Person no hear word. Even so many Igbo people they talk. Una they talk, they condemn them. Why you don't pass due process? Why you make this, do that? Now, Fulani people don't create another state. Now we have 37 states in Nigeria. Do they tell anybody? Do they pass any due process? Where are you now? Talkative, where are you? Shameless people, where are you? Fulani, now Nigeria is 37 states. Senate, they pass the bill in Senate. Do they tell anybody? They just do it on their own. Because they say Nigeria belongs to them. They will do whatever thing they like. And it's true, they are doing it. But that they are doing, they get limits. Maybe no near Igbo land. Now there when they go meet their final. You can do that shit. Go anywhere you like. Conquer all people as you want. If you want different people, go meet them, jam them, do whatever thing. But you see that our land, you know go fit. You want to Islamize. You can Islamize other people as you used to do. But you see that Igbo land, that Biafra, you never Islamize us. Instead of me to bring this my forehead knock for ground, when I bring that head down, make I die for them. Me and my people to Islamize us, they will begin to shout Allah. I gotta fuck off, man. You don't go fit. You don't hear me? So it's better you put that one in your head. You know go fit Islamize us. You want to try whether you go fit work. You know go work. More especially Igbo where they outside the country. They too many. You go fit, you go fit fight the fight. You know go fit. Everything you carry gun, everything gone. Look at the way we just disgrace on ourselves internationally everywhere. Now finally the whole world has come to conclusion that Nigerian government is the terrorist. Where is the Python dance? Where is the DSS, kidnappers? EFCC, that one, military, Now Nigeria has 37 states. Where on a day? One and no go there, go shoot to the terrorists who occupy the state. One and no go there, go shoot them. If you have to come to Igbo land and now begin the fire people up and down now, when I go get strength. But it's a very shameful thing that all these Igbo politicians, apart from Abalide, all of them are not seeing all these things. Hope Uzodinma is there in Imo State, showing his muzzle on his people. We are watching you guys. Buhari, all these things you are doing will help you. You went to London to kidnap Umaru Duku, 1984, and 1983. Now, you went to kidnap Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu is the last person you will kidnap in your life again. You can never kidnap. You can never be involved in kidnapping again. After this time, nothing will ever make you be involved in kidnapping again. Nonsense. All hail Biafra, my people. Make you double your efforts on this freedom. Double your efforts. Don't let anybody distract you. Enemy, they don't come out now. You see them on Facebook, they are writing, condemning this one. Nnamdi Kanu go Kenya. What did he go do there? He go this place. Good. Nnamdi Kanu, is he a slave? He can go anywhere he want to go. He has the right to do, just like you. And decide anything you see him doing today now the way when he will bring better result for you. So he must not let you know that he's going anywhere. He's fighting to bring Biafra. That is what he said. And that's what he's doing. So anytime you think that it goes wrong, nothing goes wrong. Anything that will happen is for our own benefit. Look at the way they go carry him now. They go kidnap, they don't buy market. They don't buy. Nigeria, they on wahala. Fire. Two serious wahala they their head. Wahala where they carry now. This is not the kind of way they carry. The wahala be like from here to Jerusalem. They never jump something. They go carry their God. They don't know say Nnamdi Kanu pass them. Nnamdi Kanu is more strong and more intelligent than these Fulanis. They went there with $1 billion. Imagine $1 billion where they used to bribe Kenya government. They use it to set up company in Nigeria. Tomorrow you hit your chair and say you want one Nigeria. My brother, my sister, forget this one Nigeria. Forget one Nigeria. If you want a better life for your children, forget one Nigeria. Are you seeing Fulani like people who want to keep Nigeria one? Do they behave like people who want to keep Nigeria one? Why are you supporting them every time they come, they deceive you with you must Nigeria integrity, you must respect Nigeria. Which integrity? Which fucking integrity? Integrity by kidnapping people abroad? A whole government kidnapping. So tell me what the masses will be doing. The local people in the city, what will they do when you are involved in kidnapping, teaching them how to kidnap? Nonsense. And nobody is talking. Nobody is talking. This one I'm talking now, tomorrow Facebook will tell you that it hate speech. It is against our community law. It will block you. But I don't care. Go to Twitter and there when I do. Go there. Maybe we there, they hustle and they go. Don't mind all this Fulani. Tomorrow they say one Nigeria, one Nigeria. Which one Nigeria? Deceiving people with one Nigeria. Destroying everywhere. Now you have 37 states in Nigeria. Can you talk? You cannot talk. Now your mouth is shut. When you see me making this video now, you will start insulting me because you know that I won't do you anything. But when Fulani cough, you run. In your own land, Fulani, they never born you. You can do that with all those useless people, but not people like us. If you want fire, we'll give you fire. Anyone way you want to, we are ready for you. The craze. Go kidnap them now, they can. Don't worry, get ready. They're just begun. This road where on a pass we like and well. Come kidnapping where I did. Kidnappers, criminal, Lucy, baby man.